Hello guys, welcome to this episode of Transport Vids for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to use tfl.gov.uk, the website I'm on now. How to use tfl.gov.uk. It's easy. You can plan journeys, you can go to status updates, park closure on the London Overground, Sunday 15th of December, which is today, no service between Wandsworth Road and Clapham Junction. Trains are diverted to and from Battersea Park instead. Use local London buses or Southern connections. That's the night tube one. Then you can go onto maps. And there's something special on the tube map I need to show you. So if I go on that, you can see that I know you can't see it very well, but the new TfL is going to Reading and Heathrow Terminal 4 on Sunday the 15th of December. Yeah, I think today trains are going to Heathrow, going on the test run. It's the new Elizabeth Line train and things are going very well on the new trains. Now let's go back. So let's say I want to go from White Hart Lane. Sorry if I did it in caps for white. I want to go to Victoria. I plan my journey and it pops up. London Overground to Seven Sisters rail station. It takes 4 minutes to get there. And then you get the Victoria line to Victoria. It takes 16 minutes. Or else you can take a bus there, but that will probably take a bit longer than that. It takes 27 minutes journey from White Hart Lane to Victoria. There's no direct train from White Hart Lane to Victoria. That will take 1 hour and 52 minutes to go via bus. Now, I'm going to go back. I'm going to look at fares. So you can look at Oyster, contactless, and so on. So this weekend's park closure is the Overground. Also, if I go back, press home. You can look at live arrivals. For example, you can check when the next train is. I'm going to choose Circle. And I'm going to pick from Shepherd's Bush Market. And you can look at departures, timetables, so on. And you can look at the recent ones you've done, like I did just now, the White Hart Lane rail station to Victoria. So if you want to plan journeys, if you want to go like by bus or National Rail, etc. Let's say I'm going to deselect all and I can just do bus, but then where you want to go, and then I might select all. It's very easy to use the TfL website. Visit tfl.gov.uk and you can plan journeys, look at different types of maps, go to fares and status updates. And that's how to use tfl.gov.uk. Thanks for watching Transport Vids for Kids, and I'll see you all next time. Signing off. Bye-bye.